Welcome, this is Daniela with a new layout created with our September kits, and I used the papers and also the embellishments, and then I used the papers from the Pocket Life kit, and in addition I worked with the stem set, the Pocket Life stem set, to create a background. Well, first of all, I did some fuzzy cutting and I worked with those 12 to 12 papers from the paper stack, and I cut two squares and the stems from the pretty blue paper, and I also wanted to add some of those tags that we can find in the embellishment kit. And you see that I just place everything here behind my picture. This way I build a big cluster, and I like that we have these, like notebook style in the tabs, and I think that this adds a lot of dimension, and this is why I'm building little clusters of these paper pieces. Okay, so you can see that my color scheme this time is pink, blue, and orange or yellow. And I'm working with a black and white picture, and I like adding, bright and colorful pieces to black and white pictures. It's a nice combination to have, and that's what I'm doing here. So the vibrant colors like the pink and the orange go together quite well, and then we have the pale or light blue that we can find in the paper. And I really like this one a lot because those fuzzy cut pieces are a nice way to add dimension and beautiful details and another layer. So, and now I want to use those papers included in the Pocket Life kit. And I love this one, the floral one. We've got the same one in 12 to 12, but here in this case I wanted to have a smaller pattern, so I cut a square 9 to 9 centimeters. And then first of all I thought maybe I could do another square, so I flipped through all my things, and finally wanted to have another pink one. So we have the floral pink paper that I'm working with here right now, and I thought that this might be a good idea, but then I felt that it would become too much pink because I already have this pink square there, and that is why I decided to leave it out in the end. So I put it aside again, and decided to just have this little floral piece here, the way you can see it now, right now. So this is a better version, otherwise it would be too much pink. All right, so then I felt that I needed some more of these blue pieces, so I did some more fuzzy cutting and fuzzy cut two more of these. And I can place them here under my other papers so that I have a nice cluster now, and I have 4 of these paper pieces, and I like the way that it adds up to the other papers. And to fill the gap I want to place this paper piece here. It's also from one of those bigger papers, and now the fun can start. I wanted to create a nice background to gain more depth and more dimension. So I just marked a few spots where the paper is going to be, the paper cluster is going to be, and now I just added a lot of stems by repeating the word good all over again. And I think that doing so is a nice way to use these stems, so you can create a nice background. And I think that the black color here is a nice addition to my black and white picture, and this way I have a colorful cluster. It's like a frame for my picture, and then the black and white accents again. I think that this adds up quite well. And you see that I'm just repeating the word here all over again, and I want to have a messy background, so it's not in order or in one line. I try to have different words popping out. So this is what I like to do a lot, to have a messy kind of style. And there is no need to worry about the blanks in the middle, so I just take a look now and then if it's already enough to see where else I need to add some more stems. And then I also want to have a few more here at the bottom of my cardstock. And then I think that this is a good version, but I want to add some more details. We have more words and sentiments in this stamp set, and now I want to add just a few of those here, but just in one spot. So I'm adding 3 different sentiments here, which add further details, and just use this spot so it is the center of attention, and it's somehow linked to the title Love. So I like to combine my titles, and this is a nice way to do it, or a clever way to use your stems to just add more information or detail to your pages. Okay, then we have this pretty or cute little star in the stamp set, and I just add some of those here. So this also is a nice way to have some more contrast and details here on the page, and just spread them all over or around my cluster. And in the end, I think that this is quite a nice way to have a balanced layout. So you see they are spread all over the page, and there is not much more needed, because the stems do quite a lot for the page. So it's not about tons of embellishments this time, but about paper layers and a nice background created by an easy way of stamping. So now I also want to have one of those stickers here saying good routine. The picture shows my daughter doing her athletics and stretching, and I think that this is a nice routine, and I love her passion for all kind of sports. So that's why I think that this title is quite suitable. Then I added the star garland. It's from the sticker sheet, and now it's time for some handwritten journaling. But first of all, I thought maybe I add some floral pieces, but then in the end I felt that, oh no, this time it's not about florals, so I removed them again, just have the floral pieces in the paper. And I think that this is a fun way and a fun layout to have a black and white picture combined with popping colors. Well, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you like my way of using the stamp set and the papers. and hope to see you soon again. Take care and have fun using your September kits. Bye bye.